Hey guys, what's up? So, to reach the top of the trees, iOS 11, 12, 13, 14. The first tweet is called Bye Bye N. Removes the annoying you're all caught up from Instagram and keep you scrolling the old post. This is called iOS version 1.18. Has been updated again. It's now that version can reset forgotten SSH root password. Plus, also it can rescan and more. So this one, yeah, can reset SSH password, rescan, and fits a Reaper bug. This is called Floating Dock. And tweak will enable the iPad floating dock on the iPhone. This feature is called Emerald and hinges your status bar with intuitive interactive widgets and will intelligently displays relevant information as required. This is a compact volume HUD in place. The Shusha native interface supports all different devices running at least iOS 12. Called Glocon's Bundle, minimalistic glowing theme bundle. This feature is called Glocon. And make your icons shine like never before. When she's called alphabetically, the tweak sets in one go. All the icons alphabetically revert back to layout manually. Tipped by that person. Filth. This she's called Vesta and access all applications with a swipe. This she's called Woosit Pro. And has iOS 13 caller, perfect call ID solution for your device, so it helps identify who's calling you. This is called TradingView iOS widget, simple stock and crypto ticker tape widget. This is called IG liked counter, shows the like counter and Instagram's liked view. This is called One Hand Wizard 2. It solves one of the biggest issues we have hauled with bigger iPhones and smaller hands. It now supports iOS 14, so it supports iOS 13 and iOS 14. It allows you to put the display to like a corner so you can access it with one hand. So if you have a big iPhone, small hands, this is a perfect tweak for you. This is called 5 Icons Dock 13, and it shows people 5 icons in a dock, not 6, not 7. So, and this is 5 Icon Dock iOS 14, supports iOS 14. It sets the 5 icons in a dock for iOS 14. And last week's called Timestamp, dynamically cycle between time and date in the status bar. So you guys, thanks so much for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.